What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to Channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today we've got another video on the Slingshot, 2023 Slingshot. It's the wife Slingshot. So we've got something from Kemi Moto again, a nice cover for the whole Slingshot. It's gonna be a full cover, Kim folks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this out of here. This thing comes in its own little carrying case. It's gonna be, like I said, a full cover. So the material is super awesome, man. You've got the reflective strip in here as well. Nice thick, oh, you got your straps here. You got nice thick material. Let's see if we can get to the seams. The seams are nice, stitched, all stitched up. It's gonna be waterproof, dustproof, UV proof. So if you've got a Slingshot, man, or a side-by-side or anything like that, Kemimoto makes covers for all those. They also make a half cover for this thing, so if you're interested in a half cover as well, they make that for the Slingshots also. But let's go ahead and get this thing unpacked. Like I said, it's a full cover. We want the full cover. This is the large. They also have an extra large, and the extra large is just, it's gonna be a lot bigger, right? The large is gonna give you the full cover and it's gonna drop all the way down to the ground. It should cover the wheels and everything. So let's go ahead and get this thing on. Oh, let's look at the inside. So you've got some nice protection on the inside as far as, this is like a, kind of like a felt, furry little interior. So it's not gonna scratch up your paint job. All your seams are gonna be waterproof. So that's why they're all sealed up like that there. You've also got your snaps here, right? So that's gonna come off. In the corners, you're gonna have these wind cones, which are gonna allow wind to pass through. So it just kind of helps it from getting caught by the wind and pulled up and thrown off your Slingshot or any side-by-side you're gonna have. So what we'll do is, usually the easiest way, and Kemimoto, man, makes it easy. You don't even have to guess where the front is, right? So you've already got a tag on there that shows front, so that way we can go ahead and know which side the front is. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start from the center. It'll make it a lot easier. So we're gonna take this. Start from here, and then we're just gonna work. Oh, well, let me put the front to the front. Just like that. And then we're gonna start here. Kind of cover up the back, and then we'll just work our way to the front. So this is gonna, like I said, it's just gonna drop over, man. It's gonna cover the whole Slingshot. And we'll take this, come around, nice and easy. If you're by yourself, you don't have to have any help. They make it really, really easy, man, to put this cover on. Come around the side here. And then let's go ahead and come back up with this a little bit. Get some more slack in here. And what we'll do is we'll come all the way down over the fin, front nose of the Slingshot. Just like that. And then your backside is also gonna come down and around the whole rear tire, man. Look at that thing. That is slick. Wouldn't you say, Mello? Yeah. Mello likes it. It's perfect fit. We also have the extra large, so I'm gonna show you what that looked like. I'll put a picture right here, man, show you how much that actually hung over. So if you're gonna have a roof on your Slingshot, you definitely need the extra large, because that's gonna give you the extra height to be able to drop the cover over the whole thing, right? So with no cover or no roof, the large is perfect. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this clip and we're gonna see if we can throw it all the way underneath and see if I can grab it and actually, there it is right there. Take it, clip it. Nice and snug. Snug as a bug in a rug, okay? And that's it, man. I mean, like I said, it's a perfect fit. The reflective strips make it really nice because You know, you can see the whole outline of the Slingshot so people don't run into it or whatever, right? At nighttime, whenever you hit lights on that, that thing's gonna light up. Nice bright orange edges around the reflective strip, which makes it really nice. And it's perfect, man. It's a perfect fit, perfect cover for your Slingshots, side-by-sides. Like I said, they make a half cover as well to where it'll just cover the cockpit. So whatever you're interested in, man, Kemimoto has it. So yeah, I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. So Kemimoto, thank you so much, man, for shooting this out to us. It fits the Slingshot amazingly. So again, the other one, extra large, was a lot bigger. So if you have a roof, you definitely want to get the extra large because that'll give you the extra material to cover the roof and still come over the whole Slingshot as well. So there you go. And like I said, these here, man, these here are going to give you just some protection to where the wind won't grab it and sling it off of there. But yeah, makes a little wind port to where it can get wind through it. So that's it, Kimfolk. I mean, it's super clean, man. You can actually, it's got some slits here as well. Those straps are gonna be what this is for. That's gonna go in through here so you can lock this down around your wheels on each side. You could either do that, pass it all the way through, or just lock them down on each wheel, and then it's got it on each side so you can hold the front of the cover down as well. But I think this will hold perfect, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think you're gonna need to do that, to be honest with you. So, but I love it. Perfect, perfect. The one thing I do wish, which I'm a big fan of Kemimoto, man, so I wish they would have had at least like a little logo down here or something. That way they know, people know what company this cover came from. But other than that, I mean, it's perfect. Love it. So there you go. Again, Kemimoto, I appreciate it, man. Thank y'all so much for always supporting the channel. And if you want to get you one, man, the link for it will be down below, so just click straight on the link. It'll take you straight to the product. And then you can also go check out Kemimoto's website. So I'll leave that link down below as well. So appreciate you. Appreciate you, Kemimoto. And until next time, until next install, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.